So I just made a video and this happened. Hey guys, today I'm going to take pieces from my least best 3x3 speed cube and my best 3x3 speed cube. So I just got bought one day, decided why not I do this. Alright, so first let's take both cubes apart. I now take this one apart. I did work this time. And I was spamming those 4 moves before this video, it broke extremely easily. But I guess when I film, it just doesn't want to be caught exploding. Use their feelings too, guys. I guess it's so oily inside. It's because I lubricated it a lot. Alright, let's get on to my best speed cube. This is I'm currently taking apart the Diamond Gohong V4. The other cube I just took apart is just a $5 cube I found at my local bookstore. Yeah, the deal that was in my puzzle solving live stream where I solved my entire collection. It is very bad. Anyway, so that's all of the pieces disassembled. You can tell this 3x3 is one of the worst when it has an extremely weak piece that falls out randomly. But now that we disassembled both cubes, let's go fix. Wait, no, not fix. Let's go put these back together, but in the most distorted way possible. So the timelapse you just saw, I couldn't really fit the black pieces into this cube. The pieces are just too big. So we're just gonna go reverse psychology this and only use this core instead of the Gohong core. And we'll see how it goes. Okay, this is the final piece. Let's see if you can put it in without the whole cube giving up on me. Yes, we done it, guys. Look at how distorted it looks. I'm not gonna turn it that fast. Oh dang, the cube's so loose. At least the edge pieces are. First turns. Oh god. You can't even turn this. That's how bad it is. The whole time that you saw, it might have not been long, but it took me 7 minutes just to complete it. And this is the final product. Oh my goodness. There's only one thing left to do. You have to scramble this cube. But where do I start? So I managed to scramble it. It doesn't look scrambled because like a red block, yellow line. Always line. But it's very scrambled to me. I forgot how I did this, but let's start. So first, and I'm not gonna time lapse this, by the way. So yeah, enjoy my suffering, I guess. Alright. So I'm gonna turn this to a line blue. Turn this to a line red. I'm not gonna do any finger tricks on this thing. Oh no, oh no, oh. It's trying to come out, go back in. The magnets are rendered useless because the corner pieces of the sticker cube doesn't have magnets. I'm gonna try a finger trick once. Okay, nope. Let's never do that again. Alright, so that's the cross done. Okay, this pair is done. I have to do wrist turns because or else all of the pieces will just fall out. And not even good wrist turns, guys. I have to like grab the whole thing and then turn. That is how like weird this cube is. So the challenge was I made a cube out of pieces out of two cubes, with one cube all the pieces being bigger than the other. Yeah, that's a challenge. You guys can try this for yourself if you want. Like maybe you can get like, I don't know, a 54mm cube and a 56mm cube. As long as the sizes are different, yeah, it will count. Or at least, if not the size, at least the pieces are different sizes. Because when I compared these two cubes sometime like a while back before I started my YouTube channel, they were like about the same size to me. Okay. This is good. This is hard. I'm not time lapsing this video as a reminder because so that you guys can see how extremely hard this is to turn. Like you guys may have an idea, but I'm still not time lapsing the video. Actually, right now as I solve this, it's only been 2 minutes, and it took me 7 minutes to put this cube together. And if after nearly finished, it's only been 2 minutes. How is this possible? I mean, I am speed cubing this, so yeah. Speed breaking and speed cubing are two totally different things, guys. Come on. Alright, that's F12 finished. We have I'm just gonna do to look OLL and to look PLL. It's not like I know full OLL or full PLL anyways. Like out of the 21 algorithms for PLL, I only know 19 of them. Like I'm not gonna do the PLL as I know if they ever come up, because why would I? Right? By the time I finish making my first move, I will forget which order to. Oh no! This is an impossible case. It's a corner twist. I'm not gonna put it all up. Because that will be content. So like yeah, soon. Come on. It's like won't turn. It will catch on the pieces. And not good and like not the good kind of catching. No, I don't even think there is a good catching, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Oh, a J perm. Okay, I may be able to do the J perm on this because it's closer to the T perm. The first one, and I just swapped. 5 minutes currently. Up. Oh no. Oh no, the PC is trying to pop out. Stay there. Stay there. Come on, turn. Okay, now F move. Imagine if I forgot what I'm doing and I messed and I just scrambled the whole cube back up again. Come on. Okay guys, come on. This is the final turn. Let's go! We solved it, guys. Yeah, it's so good. I'm gonna take a few photos of this. So, anyways, okay, so summary of this video. I made a cube with pieces from a cube which pieces are larger than the pieces from another cube. And this happened. So yeah, it looks cool, it looks nice, but doesn't turn well, and I personally hate it a little bit. So